these people looking at? What is that? It's Hiccup!
And our dragons! Stormfly, you're back! Oh! And they're babies!
Well done, son.
Thanks, Dad.
Everyone, grab your dragons to the Great Hall. We finally have something to celebrate.
This is the best holiday ever. Oh, I was a baby.
Hiccup, I know this must be really hard for you seeing everyone with their dragons. But you really did a wonderful thing. Thank you.
Astrid, where did Toothless go?
I don't know. Wow. Man, wouldn't want to be you right now. I mean, you brought back everyone's dragon except yours.
Yeah, you know, this is not helping at all. Toothless! Hey, bud!
Stoic.
Bad dragon, very bad dragon. You scared me to death. Don't ever stay away that long again. And what is in your mouth? Yeah, you found my helmet. But hey, you found my helmet! That's where you've been? Buddy, thank you. You are amazing.
Happy Snoggletog!
I'm coming, Toothless. All right, bud, come on down. I was just... Toothless, what'd you pull this out for? You don't need this anymore. Come on, let's get going. Would you quit fooling around? You have your new tail now. Toothless? Toothless, stop! What are you doing? Winter in Berk lasts most of the year. It hangs on with both hands and won't let go. And the only real comforts against the cold are those you keep close to your heart. Okay, bud, you ready? Turns out, that was the best Snoggletog ever. That year, I gave my best friend a pretty great gift. He gave me a better one.